Guys, welcome to the Yard Greeting Business. Welcome back. If you're a subscriber, just wanted to show you how powerful this business is. So here is a 50% off email. We always send out at the end of the month. I sent it out at 1:34. It's 2:32. So I sent it out at 1:34 p.m. It got 35 clicks so far. And look at all these orders it's brought in. Sent it out at 1:34. Oh, we just got another order. You saw that pop down like that. So watch this. We go to our Stripe. Now we're at 942. Oh my gosh. This is how you get $1,000 days, guys. It's going to probably be like a $1,500 day. So we have 14 total orders so far. We sent it out at 1:34. 10 minutes later, 1:44, all the orders started popping in like that. All from just building the business up, following our system, following our franchise model. You build that customer base, you build that email list, you learn how to do simple emails like this. Like literally just a simple little email. Let me see if I can even open it up. Man, 49,000 delivered at a 99% rate. Wow. Very simple email. I mean, 942 people that are skeptical were refreshing it. Watch this. 942 on 14 orders, baby. If you guys want results like this, you have to dive in. You have to take the risk to get the reward. Franchise our system today. We'll set up everything for you. You will learn the system. We will guide you through everything and be with you along the way to where after about a year, let's say, you build up your customers, you'll start having your orders look like this per day. Peace.